I know we're not starting out the day well right now. We're going down a little bit, but you know what? We have seen fake outs like this before we started climbing up. So we're starting out the day a little bit down. But you know what? If you look at last year, today was the day when Bitcoin went up 8%. 8% before before a few days later, it went up like, I don't know how many percent. It went up way more than that. But let's see. Can we follow that pattern? Can we go up 8% and then follow it with like a 20%? But you know what? Like I said, it doesn't always repeat, but it tends to rhyme. Last year, October was a really good it was a really good year, really good month. And I know almost all of you guys were around in October. Last October was pretty bad, right? I know most of you guys remember last year overall was pretty bad. We didn't move at all. Like the entire year, we were stuck below $30,000. We were stuck in a 20,000 zone for like the entire year. I was streaming basically talking about how we would break through all-time high eventually. And I said that we would do so in 2024. And I said that when we were in our 20,000 zone and no one believed it. Until we hit October and we started moving up and we got some excitement. And October carried into November, carried into December, and carried into January, February, and March. And we carried into $73,000. Then people believed it, right? It started in October of 2023. So, let's see. Let's see what's going to happen this month. We started 2 days ago. We started climbing up. Let's see where we will end up by the end of this month. And let's see where we will end up by the end of this year. I still think we can see. I know we don't have a lot of time. We have 2 weeks left. But I think we have this momentum. We could still break through all-time high, possibly before the end of this week. By Sunday, by my Sunday walk, we could still possibly see all-time high. We possibly can still see $80,000 by the end of this month. And we could possibly still see $100,000 by the end of this year. I don't think those are unreasonable, but you know what? Maybe I'm just too bullish. But I don't think those are unreasonable targets. You know, we did break through that giant cup and handle. I did show you guys that. I drew that out for you guys. We have broke out of that. That is very, very positive. Here's another smaller look at that wedge, or you could call the handle part, or bullish flag, whatever you want to call it. We have broken out of that. We have retested it, and now we are on our way up. That's also very positive, right? So even from a chart perspective, we're looking good. We're looking very good. Tesla is going to be reporting soon, right? And people are wondering what Elon is going to do, because Elon just moved all of their Bitcoin away from their one wallet. They shuffled like they're like $800 million worth of Bitcoin into several different wallets. And we don't know why. Okay. Is it because they plan on selling, or they just want to store in different wallets? I don't know. I really don't know. It would be a stupid move if they did decide to sell now, I mean, even Elon is a genius. There's really no reason for them to sell right now. I mean, even if they took the profit, it's not gonna really affect their balance sheet, their quarterly. I mean, it really wouldn't make that big of a difference. And even Elon, probably using even his own AI Grok, would know that we're in October. We're going to start, we're in the most bullish cycle. I mean, we're moving into the fourth year of a bull cycle. I mean, why would he just at least not hold until 2025? Like, it would just be silly to be selling now. I don't know. But hopefully he does not. But if he does, it's not the worst thing in the world. Obviously, the market would eat it up. It would not be worse than, say, Germany selling everything. It would not be worse than, say, the U.S. government selling everything. But they do hold a lot, and, it would be quite sad if they do. But fingers crossed that they don't. I'm hoping that he does the opposite. I hope that Elon actually talked to Michael Saylor, and then he has actually some other good reason for shifting the wallets. And he's saying, you know what? We at Tesla, we support freedom. We hate fiat. We hate what, governments are doing with fiat. We're going to support the Bitcoin strategy, and we're going to start buying Bitcoin as well. That would be absolutely fantastic. Right. And he has said SpaceX also owns Bitcoin too. It's not just Tesla. So I'm hoping he just announces something great, like something really, really great, rather than sell it. I guess we'll have to see. We got XRP ETFs coming up. A lot of people love XRP. So I don't know when that's coming, but... And we might get Litecoin ETFs. I don't know of anyone that wants Litecoin ETFs. Like, there's not one person on the planet that wants Litecoin ETFs. I don't even think Charlie Lee himself wants Litecoin ETFs. But the same issuer that filed for Ripple XRP ETF have filed for a Litecoin ETF. Now there is a Bonk ETP, the world's first meme coin ETP. Again, why do you need a Bonk ETP? Why do you need a fund based on a meme coin? People that buy meme coins, I don't get it. I don't get it. You would just, people that ape into memes, they would do so on Robinhood, on Coinbase. You don't have people with their Fidelity, 401ks aping into Bonk ETPs. That doesn't make any sense.